Today I'm going to show you how to do a shell design, and I've seen this all over the internet and it's been around for a while, and at the minute it's just gone a bit like boom. It's not quite as big as mermaids or unicorns, but the shell thing is pretty popular. Maybe it's because it's summer at the minute. Who knows if it's going to be summer when this video goes out, or you could be watching it a year later and it could be summer. So let's just do it. So I have a nail on a tip. It's a natural coloured nail. However, my nails never ever look this colour, but apparently this is what a natural coloured nail looks like.
Really?
That's what they call. Right, so we're going to use white, just because I want to. You can do this in any colour, and to be honest with you, we might do this video again in other colours, just because it'll be fun and something different for you to watch. So, where's the colour? I've just got it. It's here. It's called French white. Oh my god, what an amazing name for it, because that's what a white tip is. It's called a French white. I have no idea. I need to do my research and find out actually why French nails are called French nails, because they haven't got the Eiffel Tower on or anything like that, but you know.
Not just because the French were doing them first. Maybe
that's what it is. That's what I presume, and I should know because I've been doing nails for like 20 years, so I should really know, but you know, I don't. So I'm going to use this. I don't need to apply a base to this because I'm doing it on a plastic tip. If you were doing this on a natural nail, you would need the base coat to this system. So Gel2 do have a base coat for their system. I just don't need it right now. I'm going to do 2 coats of this colour so we get a really opaque white. Banging it in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to top coat this with the diamond top coat from Well Gel. This top coat is really tough, really shiny and super tough, it's like Superman in a bottle. So once that's done, we're going to get some hard gel. I'm going to put this on a little bit of a palette. So we're going to go into the gel. And we're going to create these clam-like shaped lines, if that makes any sense. So I'm just putting a line. I'm starting in the centre. You definitely need to start in the centre. Okay? Oh my god, can you just about see that? All will be revealed soon. Just flash cured that, and I'm just going to go over that a little bit more to make it even higher so it's more 3D. And I'm going to flash cure that for 5 seconds. And then the next stage is we're going to get some of this gel and we're going to start to bring this at an angle. Flash cure that. And then I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to put another layer of gel to make it even more 3D right over the top of what we've just done. Now this is probably the hardest part of this design, is mirroring what you've done on the other side. So you just need to mirror that, you know, as close as you can, you know, isn't it? The nail police are not going to come and get you just because it might be a little bit off. So I'm just flash curing that, and then I'm going to go over it again just like I did before. And then for the next part, we're going to come up the side and again angle that in. And I'm going to flash cure that, and again just add a little bit more to make it slightly higher. And flash. And then the next section again is just going to come up the side, and then we're going to angle it in. I'm going to flash that again, just make that slightly thicker. And then this one, really come across, and this is probably going to be your last one. I think we might be able to smidge another one in there, a little one. Yeah, we can get another one on there. I do think the more lines that you do, the more effective it will look. Yeah, I've seen some people do it and they only do about, you know, probably 3 lines on each side or 4, and it just doesn't, it looks alright, but it doesn't look as effective. I definitely think the more of these little markings you do, the better. So I'm just making that a little bit higher, flash cure that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to carry on doing this up this side. So exactly the same as what we've done there, we're going to do it on this side. So now that's all finished and cured, what we're going to do is we need to top coat this because we're going to put some chrome on it. And what we're going to use, there, I'll get my words out, I will gather them and they will come out of my mouth correctly. What we're going to do now is use the Well Gel Chromes. And this comes with its own top coat which can be used as a base as well. And this is called, oh, nearly dropped it. It's called Topaz Quartz. What you need to do is make sure you don't flood those gaps between the hard gel. Don't flood them with the top coat because you will lose the effect of the design. So I'm just dragging the brush through to take any excess off. I'm going to cure that. So now that's cured, I'm going to get some of this gorgeous mirror chrome and rub that in. Oh, just look at that. And what this will do is it'll help the design stand out even more, and it's going to give a gorgeous effect as well because it's all shimmery and sparkly, you know, like a real shell. So we're just taking inspiration from the shell and making a design out of it. Dust off any excess. You get that gorgeous iridescent shimmer. I'm going to top coat this with the same product as we used to adhere the chrome. I'm making sure again that I'm not flooding in between the 3D. And I'm going to pop that into the lamp. Right, what I need to use is a little bit of that builder gel we used earlier. And we're going to put the builder gel where we are going to put these crystals and pearls and all that. So I'm going to have a large pearl there and a small pearl there. Oh, it's looking fabulous already. And I'm going to put another pearl there. And another pearl there. Oh my god, just look how gorgeous that is. And then I'm going to use these micro beads. These are from Neo Nails. And they will stick to that gel.
Because it's a nautical, like, sea-themed thing, you call them caviar beads.
Yeah, caviar. Bit of caviar drop. Have you ever had caviar?
Yeah.
It's vile, isn't it?
Don't mind it.
I wouldn't like
I quite like salty, like real salty flavours.
I had it and I just thought, is that what the fuss is about? I had it when I was on a mini cruise to Finland. It was very cold. So I'm happy with that now, so I'm going to cure that in the lamp. What I am going to do now is, this is what I like to do, especially if this is a salon design and you want it to last. I'm just going to cap over the pearls to make that beautiful coating that they have on there last longer. And also those micro beads or caviar beads, I've got a coating on them as well, and I want that to stay on there. So I'm just coating it in the top coat. Now the top coat I'm using here is the same one from the chrome kit. I'm going to use that and make sure that's nice and clean around the edge. And I'm going to cure that. So that's completely cured now. Everything's all cured. It's nice and beautiful. Ready for the beach. Check out the shimmer. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So you could team that up with, even if you had one nail like this on each hand and had nude nails on the other. I mean like a nude colour. I don't mean naked with nothing on. in a nude colour, that would look absolutely gorgeous. So there you are guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon. Ta-da!